Hey budget besties, so welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is CS Budgets and my name is Candace. We do all things low income budgeting, cash stuffing, and savings challenges. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification to receive notification each time I post a new video. Okay, today we are going to be cash stuffing our sinking funds. Today we're going to be cash stuffing about $75. I need to count and make sure. So we are going to stuff that. This is I guess they call it extreme low budget or however you want to call it, but the purpose of this is to save what you can. Start off super low and then build your way up for your savings, okay? All right, so we're going to go ahead and count this here. And this is so adorbs. I got this from the dollar store around Dollar Tree, if you want to call it. Around the time they were doing the supplies, the school supplies for going back to school. And I don't know if they have these anymore, but I went ahead and got 3 of them, and they are so cute. Love them. So cute and colorful, too. Okay. So let's go ahead and count. So we have 10, 25, 35, 45, 50. Oh no, we're stuffing 50. Oh, I'm sorry, we're doing 50 today. 25, 35, 45, 50. Okay, yeah. Alrighty, we're stuffing $50 today, not 75. Sorry about that, you guys. Speaking of the last video we did. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to pull out our sinking funds breakdown sheet, and I already list our sinking funds here of what we have for our envelopes, and then we're going to go ahead and put the amounts in that we are going to add to the sinking funds, and then we're going to write down the balances of what we have total in the envelopes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to bring this up here, move this to the side, bring this over here. Okay, I just want to write down how much I'm going to put in each one of them. So we have 50 that we're adding. Okay, so holidays is coming up rapidly, so go ahead and put 10 there. Go ahead and put 10 in gas. Food. Let's do 10. $10 across the board. We have 30 now, so we have about 20 left. Oh, I guess we're going to put 10 in each envelope. Does that add up? Yep, it sure does. Okay. Let's go to holidays. Okay, so we're putting $10 in holidays. And yes, I am going to change the envelopes on these, because this is supposed to be, I'm supposed to spend for my sinking funds. So if you watch my previous video, you will see how exactly I completely messed that up. It's really funny, actually. Okay, so holidays now have 10, 25, 30. Awesome. I have $30 there. I'm actually going to move this over. I think that's for the best. Okay, so I have 30 there. Next is gas. We're putting $10 in gas. I just did my nails. Like, put just a little shine overlay over it, and it's squeaking. Everything is just like, it's like brand new. Doing my nails, and I just put a little shine on it, and now when I go in here, it's just squeaking from the nails. Too funny. Okay, so gas, I have 10, 15, 20, 25. It's 25. It's going to be a really short video, you guys. Food is getting 10. We'll just get a $10 bill. Take food out and count it. Have all the bills? Yeah. So it looks like that's 30. So how's everybody's day going? Mine's just going smooth. Hope you're enjoying the weather so far, wherever you are located. Beauty, 10, of course. So I am a winter person, so I just can't wait until the rain comes. Love the rain, the wet weather, hot foods, hot cocoa, hot everything, okay? Okay, so now food has, beauty, I'm sorry. Beauty has 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so we have $20 now. Let's go ahead and update that. And then we have the fun envelope, which will be getting the remaining $10 that's left. Okay. I didn't count that. I just don't like my bills all everywhere. I used to be a teller, so yeah, everything has to be coordinated and organized when it comes to money. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so fun has $20 as well. Awesome sauce. Okay, if you guys really want to know, let me grab my calculator. And just for these 2 stuffings, let's just see how much we saved so far. I probably would do this more so at the end of the month, but I just want to show you guys how fast doing things this way you can save. Okay, so let's just go ahead and see here. Okay, so far you saved $125. Well, we saved $125. That is amazing. That is so awesome right there. I cannot wait until the end of the month so we can see what exactly we end up with. So how awesome is that? Okay, so I encourage you to continue doing this with me. It is so fun, and I like having people that's doing this along with me as well. So yeah, awesome. All right, so that's it for this video. The next video will be stuffing our travel binder. We're getting ready to wrap that one up because, like I stated in a video before, that I did move some money around. We're pretty much at the amounts that we need in order to go on our trip next month. So I'm really excited about that. With that binder, and when I unstuff it so we can go on our trip, I'm actually going to use the same binder for our Disney trip in February, which I'm really excited about because they just announced that they're going to be doing the 100-year celebration, and they're going to be having like all these different new fireworks shows and these new shows. They just announced it at D23. I am a Disney fan, so I cannot wait to go in February, and I'm definitely going to bring you guys along with me. It is going to be so much fun. So you can see how excited I am about this. I should do a Disney vlog, but that's 7 hours away, so that would add up in travel costs. But I'm really excited about it. And I'm also excited about my Vegas trip as well because it's my first time actually going to Vegas. So I'm really excited for this trip. So yeah, fun things coming. Lots of savings for it. So you guys are going to definitely see me a lot. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video. Please like this video and comment below and let me know. Put a little, I think last time I did a cat emoji. So maybe you can put a little purple heart emoji and just let me know what you're saving for, okay? I cannot wait to read your comments. Again, as always, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!